Hey guys, today we're going to try out some new makeup, and I'm also going to talk to you about something that's coming up that's pretty exciting. So I've decided to go to the Gold Coast for a little bit. My best friend and I are going over there. I really wanted to move, but it's just not, it's not the best decision to move at the moment, considering I've just started my apprenticeship, and yeah, I have things down here that I want to finish first. So I've decided to go for like an extended holiday. So yeah, we're going to be going to the Gold Coast for a little bit. So I am pre-filming at the moment. When you're watching this, I will probably already be in the Gold Coast. So yeah, I'm pre-filming at the moment, but something I really want to do before I go is I want to get all of the makeup that is currently in my like new makeup bin or whatever to try out. I want to get all of that sorted so we have nothing sitting there waiting to be tried. So yeah, I want to get through all of that, try it all out. So today we're going to try out some new products. I've actually tried out the Benefit Brow Pomade today for the first time. This one's in the shade Warm Light Brown and I really liked it. And then also on my brows I used the Precisely My Brow Pencil, which I have tried before, and also the Gimme Brow, but these are just like restocks of ones that I already had tried previously. So yeah, that's what's on my brows today. And today we're going to be using the Cherry Crush palette from Colourpop. It is so hot out here. I think I need to get changed, but I'm going to try and push through until I finish my eye makeup. Okay, so let's just get started. So I'm going to quickly prime my eyes with the P. Louise Eye Base in Room 01. I also want to try and like use up some makeup and stuff before I go. I will be taking obviously a little bit of makeup over there, and like skincare and body care and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go and choose those products today, I think, and then show you guys what I'm gonna take over there. So yeah, but when you're watching this, I will probably be over there. I'm hoping to upload every day while I'm gone, just because I'm gonna have, you know, I'm not going to be working or anything while I'm gone. I'm just going to be relying off savings and OnlyFans money and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like it'll be really good. We're leaving in January, at the end of January. So yeah, I'll probably be posting lots of TikToks and stuff like that. So make sure you check out TikTok if you want to stay in the loop of what's going on. Okay, so this is the Cherry Crush palette by Colourpop. And this is how it looks. It's obviously got a lot of reds and stuff in it. So yeah, let's just get started. I think the first shade I'm going to take, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this one here. And I'm going to put that one like closest to the brow. Just put this like all over as a little bit of a base. But yeah, I'm really excited for the move. It's going to be the longest that I've ever been away from home and away from my family and away from my dog. It's going to be extremely different. Obviously, I'm in Tasmania at the moment, so it's going to be, we're going to be in like, you know, a complete different state. Yeah, I feel like it's going to be really good. There's a lot of things I need to learn. I need to learn a lot of independence and also just really get out of my hometown for a while. Tassie is an extremely small place and it can be very toxic at times. Which I think all small towns can be. Everyone knows your business, everyone's got something to say, everyone has an opinion on you, whether they've met you or they haven't met you, or you know, they know something, I don't know. Anyway, it's just gonna be nice to go somewhere where no one knows you and yeah, just kind of learn how to be alone, I guess, for a little bit and all that kind of stuff. I think the next shade I'm going to take is called Scarlet, and it's like a little bit more pinky and a little bit deeper. I don't really know what look I'm going for today. I think I will do like a cut crease today though. So okay, I'm just going to blend those shades into each other. Then we're going to take a bit of Black Cherry, also put that through the crease just to really kind of deepen it. This one's more like red, just give it a little bit more definition. But yeah, I've got lots of videos to film before I leave, so really need to start hustling and get through all these videos. And then once again, just blend, get a different brush actually, blend it all together. And then in the outer corner I'm going to take the darkest shade of the palette, which is called Take a Bite, and this one's like a purpley shade. It's a really pretty shade. I feel like they look really nice together. Okay, I'll quickly blend that, and then I think I'll go off camera and cut my crease. And I don't know, I don't think I'm going to use the shimmer out of this palette because they're all like red and pinks, and I want to do like maybe a silver or something like that. So I'm going to go find a different shade. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to cut my crease, and then I'll be back and we'll finish off the eyes. Okay, so I cut my crease with the P. Louise Roma Zero. Now I think what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. This one is in the shade Up Late. Looks like this. So I'm going to put that on the lid first, and then I'm going to go over it with like a glitter. Wow, that's a really, really pretty shade. I forgot how much I like Colourpop Super Shocks. Oh, it's going to be so hard choosing what makeup to take. It is so hot today, and it gets so hot in the studio. You kind of need to come out here like first thing in the morning before it's like warmed up, because the studio stays pretty cool until like lunchtime, and then it just like absorbs all of the heat. So I'm just gonna blend that dark purple shade into this Super Shock shadow, and then we'll put some glitter on. Blend that. Okay, and then I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do some liner, but I'm going to try out the Colourpop. Oh wait, what am I doing? I need to put the glitter on first. I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is the Colourpop Pressed Glitter eyeshadow in the shade Cabana, I think, maybe. Looks like this anyway. So I'm going to put that like towards the end of the cut crease. It's really pretty. It's not like super noticeable, but it's like subtle. You can see it like close up. It's really cute though. I feel like this would be quite cute for like New Year's Eve or something. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do liner, but I'm going to try out the Colourpop Mineral Girl Cream Gel Liner. So we'll see how I go with that. And then we'll be back to try out base products. Okay, so I've got my base on, but I haven't set, I've only set my concealer. I haven't set my, the rest of my face now, because I want to try out, where has it gone? I want to try out this Laura Mercier blush. No, I don't know where I've put it. Okay, let me try and find it. I don't know if I just forgot to like get it out or what I did, but anyway. So we have these Laura Mercier. These are the tinted moisturizer blushes. What one should I go for today? I feel like I'll take this one, like the little light pink one. So this is in the shade, I have no idea. I cannot pronounce it, I'm so sorry. But product details are always up on my Instagram. So just set up my face. I'm just gonna blend it in with the back of my sponge. It's actually really cute. I'll put a bit on my nose. Okay, I feel like it's really cute. Now I'm really scared about this next product. This is the Laura Mercier Light Catcher Translucent Powder, but it's in the shade Honey Star, so it's a little bit darker. Oh, I don't know if this is going to suit my skin colour at all, but we're about to find out. So if it looks absolutely terrible, at least we tried. It's very dark, but I'm hoping that it's one of those things that when it's on the face, it's not as dark. Have I ruined everything? Possibly. Okay. Okay, you know what? It's actually not that bad. Now that it's like all kind of spread out, it's stuck in particular places. But now that I'm blending it, I think we're okay. Yeah, I actually don't mind it, okay? It's not that bad. I thought it was going to be awful, but it's really not that bad. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to... Oh, I realised... Whoops, I was meant to use this blush. Okay, you know what? We'll try it as well. But first we'll do some bronzer. So I'm going to use the Kimchi Taylor bronzer in the shade I Went to Miami. can even explain how hot it is in here, guys. I keep forgetting to go and get changed. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's super cute. Oh no, whoopsies. Put on way too much of that. I have to go out in public in this makeup. I might take it off. I'm going out for like lunch, but I feel like it might be just too much. But in saying that, I do quite like the way that my skin looks. Like, I feel like it doesn't look bad. Like, it doesn't look awful. Okay, I quite like that bronzer. I feel like it's really pretty. I feel like I look super sun-kissed, which is great. Let's try out this blush as well while we're at it. This is another Laura Mercier blush. This is the blush colour Infusion in the shade Peach Shimmer. And it looks like this. It's actually really, really pretty. Oops, it's super pigmented. I didn't realise. Okay, I need a different brush. Help blend that out. Okay, it's extremely pigmented, but it's actually really pretty shade, and I really quite like it. Okay, and then let's try out, where's it gone? Oh, this, the Glamlight Frosted Flakes. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. So this is the Glamlight Frosted Flakes highlighter. It's very, very pretty. Wow. It's really, really nice. Look at it! Whew. I really, really like that highlighter. I think it is really pretty. Okay. Just quickly under the eyes, I want to use the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Jubilee. Put it just like under like the outer corner. And then I'm going to take a eyeshadow brush and like blend it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go get changed, do my hair, and then I'm going to come back and pick a lip and everything, and then yeah, we'll finish the video. Okay, so we are done. I used the Colourpop, or well, the Fourth Ray Beauty Glisten Up Illuminating Mist. Then I used the Glamlight and Kellogg's Tough Tiger Lip Kit, which came with like the lip pencil and the lipstick, and then I used the Colourpop gloss in Italian Ice. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with it. I feel like it looks really nice. I'll give you the close up. So yeah, I'm very happy with how it turned out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!